I'm going to be bringing you guys some information on how you can be pre approved for a high limit credit card with bad credit. Now, today we have Credit One Bank, and yes, Credit One Bank does have multiple different credit cards, but we will be talking about the Platinum E3 Visa credit card. Now, this credit card specifically is designed to help you build and to rebuild your personal credit. Now, you can earn cashback rewards with this credit card as well. They do have the 3% cashback rewards on popular streaming services, entertainment, and rideshare, and 1% cashback rewards on all other purchases. Now, you can also get 10% more cashback rewards from some of the nation's top retailers. No offers to activate or points to redeem. You will automatically earn cashback on your eligible purchases. Now, the initial credit limit for this credit card is starting off at $300, but you can get an increase up to $5,000 after 6 months of making your payments on time. Now, another thing about this credit card, as I did mention, this credit card is only designed for people with a credit score of 629 and below. Now, if you have a higher credit score than that, I would not recommend this credit card just because the APR is pretty high. Now, they do have an annual fee between $75 and $99, but this is based on credit worthiness, which this fee will be billed in monthly installments of $8.25. Now, again, if you had bad or if you have bad credit, this credit card can definitely help you build your personal credit. But if you do not, then I do not recommend applying for this credit card. Now, if your credit limit is $300 when you open up this account, and if you are approved, that annual fee between $75 and $99 will show up initially when you open up your credit, since they build that annual fee to your account as soon as you open it. Okay. Now, that is the downside about this credit card. Again, that annual fee is pretty high, but it could be lower. Just really depends on your credit. So they do pull from Experian in order to be able to give you an approval, and you can pre-approve for this credit card without no hard impact to your credit score whatsoever. They do have contactless pay, zero fraud liability, free online access to your credit score, easy to use, and you can also choose your own payment dates for this credit card. So this credit card could be a great card, again, if you are looking to rebuild your personal credit, if you have bad credit, or if you have no credit. So if you guys are looking for a credit card up to $5,000, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you could be notified.